Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jason with devslopes.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about what you can do as a web developer. Now, web development is a really cool technology, and there's a lot of things that you can do with it. You're going to be able to build websites as simple as a static landing page for maybe a business or a company, something that has maybe just images and text, just information about that place. You're going to also be able to build things as complex as websites that have user interactions. Websites that have functionality and can do things. Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, Dropbox, those are all really good examples of websites that have user interaction. Something that you can do on that particular website or web application. Now, as a web developer, there's a handful of things that you're going to be able to do in the web development industry. You could be a freelancer. You could have your own clients and build websites or web applications for them. You could be a contractor. You may be asked to build a feature or a project for a company. You could get hired as a web developer for a company. And in a job, you'll probably be doing things like building new websites or working on a web application, or maybe working on a specific piece or part of a web application, like building out a new feature, and keeping other things up to date so that the website or the web application can continue functioning. Maybe you have an idea or a program that you want to build. As a web developer, you'll be able to develop that, and you could build an entire business around that product or that service. So knowing web development is a really powerful skill to have, and there is a lot that you can do with it.